Hi, Varun.
Hi.
Good to have you back. Good to have you back. Hope you're doing well.
We were never lost or something. But here,
Absolutely.
yeah, the whole last week we were in office. There was nothing, that we were not here.
Absolutely.
Yes, welcome back to the camera.
Yes. But the good thing is, I've been seeing you being busy because a couple of your clients have come from abroad, and
Yes.
I believe they're still here.
They are, yes.
And I'm glad you are with them and showing them few places as well.
Yes,
So
yes.
this is something which is very positive. But having said that,
Mhm.
today is the 10th day.
Yes.
10th day since this particular thing started, this entire fiasco started. And ever since, Dubai has been in the center of the world in terms of everything, especially real estate, and it is still there. What do you think is going to happen? What is your opinion, your views of the future, of the near future?
See, to be very honest with you, and being very practical, it's too early to comment on this situation. Yes, we can just analyze that Dubai is still standing strong. There is no, you can say, the impact because of this whole situation. Yes, there were so many interception had happened in last
Yes.
10 years.
True.
There are
10 days.
minor things, which had happened on ground.
Yeah.
But people are still not panicking, not moving out of UAE. They're still calling it as their home. They are supporting the government. If you see, they were. Yesterday India won the World Cup as well. And if you see in Dubai, in different parts of Dubai, there was so much of people gathered just to, celebrate that, World Cup win. As there are a lot of Indians in UAE, so almost 40% of the population in UAE is of Indians. So a lot of celebrations happened over the last week. Holi was celebrated like, as there is no impact of anything in Dubai.
True.
So, if you talk about the positive and the intent and even the, sentiments, that has not been shaken in terms of the people residing here in UAE. Yes, there will be an impact in terms of the investors which are outside UAE. Let's be very practical about it. But if we talk about, the sentiments in and around, it's been very strong. That's my feeling. The people whom we are interacting with, the investors whom we are interacting with. Yes, there is a doubt. There will always be a doubt. Even when this thing was not happening, investors were still, thinking whether the price has gone so much higher. Is it a right time to invest or not? Now, yes, there will be it will be a little bit of buyer's market now, wherein they can actually, take an advantage of the situation, maybe, or something like that can happen. I'm not, this is my feeling, and this is like generalizing the whole situation, wherein it always happens when there is something in the world happening, so people wants to take advantage of it as well. And on the other side, there will be people who wants to sell as soon as possible and come out of this whole scenario as soon as possible. So it can be benefit for few people, it can create that benefit for few investors, and it can also motivate towards the panic selling as well. So both sides of the coin are possible.
That is true.
Yeah.
That is true. And having said that, just to add to what you just said, we have been getting calls from our investors looking for some good deals.
Yes.
Now, there are so many people who have that kind of cash, who have been waiting for some good opportunity.
Yes.
And we just don't mean to say distress, but where there's a good opportunity, because we are looking at long term. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Absolutely.
Because this is just a short term phase. Long term is going to be, Dubai is going to come back even more harder, and it's going to be even more better for the investors.
Absolutely.
So you think that if the customers get into the market now with some good deals coming up, it's good for the investors?
100%. See, the thing is, as I said, right now it's only 10 days. The impact cannot just be, seen in 10 days, because things are still not clear where the things will go in the next month. It's still Ramadan, and things are pretty slow right now. But honestly, it will gonna start impacting or showing the impact in next 2 weeks or 3 weeks.
Okay.
Right? It's just the 10th day. People who can survive, or the market can of course survive for next 5-6 months.
Absolutely.
But again, having said that, the impact will gonna come up after 1 month. Whether it will be much more stronger,
Yeah.
or it will show some distress selling.
Okay.
So it can be seen after maybe 2 weeks or 1 month. It's too early to comment on all these things.
Okay.
But as you see, from last 18 years is the third time this is happening.
Yeah.
First, when it was recession in 2008, 2009, Dubai recovered.
Yes.
By 2012, 2013. Then COVID came. In 1 year, Dubai flipped the game.
Absolutely.
Right? In 2021, 2022, things were getting launched, the prices were going higher, and till 2025 and rather 2026 starting, it was so strong. The graph was like that never before. It was so high. Right now, what had happened? Again, it's too early, but even the impact will be negative. They will still come up as strongly as ever.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I think things are very normal.
Yes.
I mean, my family is here, your family is here.
Yes, absolutely. So things are normal. Yes, our office was open.
Absolutely.
First 2 days, yes, Saturday, Monday and Tuesday we didn't open the office, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, even Saturday, everything was normal. People were answering the calls. As our agents were checking on them. Is everything okay? Things are moving smoothly. Even today, being Monday, things are really, really normal.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes. We'll do another session next Monday to see how things have shaped up.
Yeah.
How things are moving on.
Yes.
So let's see.
All right. So far so good, people. I think we all are safe here, and there are clients who are still investing. The transactions are happening.
Yes.
In Dubai.
Yes.
Now let's hope for the best.
Yes, 100%. As you said about the transactions, a lot of news from Dubai Land Department. Around 422 million
Yes.
apartment has been sold within this
Absolutely.
period.
That's true.
And even our deals which were in pipeline, the down payment has been done in that area, in that time
Correct.
frame. And even the MOUs, the pending deals which were there, they are going towards a positive direction only.
That is true.
There is no sign of withdrawing the
Yes.
investments back
Yes,
or something like that. So yes, again, it's too early, but yes, things will gonna get normal very, very soon. Dubai, UAE will gonna come back much more stronger with all these situations happening around.
Absolutely.
Right.
On that note, thank you so much, Varun, for your time.
Yes,
And
let's pray for the best.
absolutely.
Let's hope for the best, and let's keep hustling and keep making money in real estate.
Absolutely.
Right?
All right.
The time will come. Investors will gonna come more and more heavily
Yes.
to buy. In terms of catching the price.
That's correct.
Right?
All right. Thank you so
Cheers,
much.
cheers, guys.
Lovely
Thank
time.
you for watching.
Thank you.
And don't forget to subscribe, like, stay safe, guys.
Take care.